Hello viewers, welcome to VrushuRaj classes YouTube channel. In this video we are going to solve the first exercise of the chapter real numbers, which is from mathematics of class 10. So without wasting time, straight away we will go to the first question of exercise 1.1. So the first question is, express each number as a product of its prime factors. What exactly is the meaning of prime factorization and how exactly we have to solve these sums? What rules we have to follow while solving such sums? Everything is explained in detail in one of the video. Link of that video is shared in the description box. Please do watch that video. So now in this video we are going to solve the sum straight away. So the first question here is, means the first number which we have to express as the product of prime factors is 140. The first number is 140. We have to express as the product of prime factors. Means we cannot start the factorization directly by 10 or 4. No, we have to start with the prime number. So here 140, it's even number, so we will start with 2. 2 sevens are this 0, 2. 2 threes are 5. Now this is 35, 5, 7, 7, 1. Okay, so this 140 we can express as 2 into 2 into 5 into 7. 2, 5, 7. All these are prime numbers. So 140 is expressed as the product of prime numbers. Let's solve next sum, that is second sum, 156. Now the number is 156. If the number is even number, always start the division by 2. So 156, let's factorize by 2. 2 sevens are, remainder 1, 8s are, again 2. 2 threes are, 9s are. Now 39, 3. 1s are, 3s are, 13 is prime number. So straight away we have to take 13. So this 156 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. 2, 3 and 13 are prime numbers. So 156 is expressed as the product of prime factors. Okay, let's move to the third sum. Now here the third number is 3825. Third question, 3825. Okay, 3825. Now when the number is ending with 5, okay, don't waste time even in checking whether it is divisible by 3 or no. If it is divisible, we will get 3 later. As I said, it is explained in one video. Order is not important here. So when the number is ending with 5, straight away start your factorization with 5. So let's start by 5. 5 sevens are 35, remainder 3. 6 are 30, remainder 2, 5. 765. Again it is ending with 5. Let's factorize by 5. 5 ones are, 5s are, 5 threes are. Now 3. 3 5s are, 1s are. Again 3. 3 1s are, 7s are. Now 17 is prime number. So 17 1s are. Now here this 3825. 5 into 5 into 3 into 3 into 17. 3825 is expressed as the product of prime factors. Okay, third sum is over. Let's move to the sum number 4. Sum number 4 is 5005. Now 5005 ending with 5. So we will straight away start this factorization by 5. 5 ones are 0, 0, 1. Now such numbers, okay, such numbers are called as palindrome numbers. Palindrome means the number which are same. Even if we write the digits in the reverse order, we get the same number. So such numbers are divisible by 11. So straight away you can take 11 for palindrome numbers. So here let's divide this 100. 11 9s are 99. 1. It's 91. 91 is divisible by 7. 7 1s are, 7 3s are. Now 13. 13 1s are. I repeat again, here it is not necessary that we have to go in ascending order or descending order of the factors. No, order is not at all important, but the only thing is the numbers what we take here, the number should be prime number. This is the only condition, only rule what we have to follow while expressing the numbers as the product of prime factors. So, this 5, 0, 0, 5, 5 into 11 into 7 into 13. This is your answer. So 4 sums we have completed. Let's move to the last question of this first main question. Let's factorize the next number, that is 5th number. The next question is 7, 4, 2, 9. It's little bit critical. 7, 4, 2, 9. Now if you try the divisibility by 3, 7, 11, we have to go on trying here. It is not possible. The straight way the prime factor here for 7429 is 17. 17 4s are 68. 6 comes here. 17 3s are 51. 11 comes here. 17 7s are is 119. 4 3 7. Next number here is 19. 19 2s are 38. 5 comes here. 19 3s are 57. 23 is also one prime number. So 23 1s are. So 7 4 2 9 can be expressed as 17 into 19 into 23 as the product of prime factors. So here we complete the first main question of our first exercise of real numbers. We expressed 5 numbers as the product of their prime factors. Now second question is quite interesting. The second question, which consists of 3 sums, we will be solving in our immediate next video. So to get the updates of such important and helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel, that is VrushuRaj classes. And my dear students, I request all of you to share our videos among your friends. So let's meet in our next video, and my dear students, viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.